Okay, good morning. Today we are correcting CO13, converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So let's look at our numbers. We went from 2 1/3 becomes 7/3. 4 4/5 becomes 24/5. 3 2/7 becomes 23/7. 3 1/8 becomes 25/8. 1 1/9 becomes 10/9. Any questions on how I got those improper fractions in the top row? Which one you looking at, Claire? The 3 1/8. That became 25/8 because 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Okay. Middle row, 14/5 becomes 2 4/5. 22/9 becomes 2 4/9. 3/2 becomes 1 1/2. 14/3 becomes 4 2/3. 18/7 becomes 2 4/7. Any questions on how I got those mixed numbers? Callie. So I can take a 7 away from 18. If I do 18 minus 7, I get 11. Then I can subtract 7 again, and I get 4. So I took a 7 away 2 times, and I have the 4 left over. Okay. Any other questions about the mixed numbers? All right, last row. 27 becomes 2 6/7. 5 3/4 becomes 23/4. 35/8 becomes 4 3/8. 10 2/5 becomes 52/5. 45/4 becomes 11 1/4. Any questions on that bottom row? If you're not sure how I got the answer I got. Jimena. Okay, so there's two different ways we could do this because 4 is really little and 45 is big. I thought to myself, what could I multiply 4 by to get close to 45? So if I'm thinking about my multiples of 4, I know 4 times 10 is 40. So I could do 4 times 11 equals 44. So then I just subtracted 44 from that 45 and I had my 1 left over. So I knew I could take it out 11 times. You could do 45 minus 4 and then 41 minus 4 and then 37 minus 4. It'll just take a while to subtract 4 11 times. Or you can think about what can I multiply it by to get as close to 45 without going over. Does that make sense? Ruby. 35/8. I, again, could ask myself, what can I multiply the 8 by to get close to 35? If I do 8 times 4, I get 32. So 35 minus 2 gave me the 3. Or if I'm not sure, I could always just subtract. 35 minus 8 is 27. 27 minus 8 is 19. 19 minus 8 is 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4 8s I took away, and I was left with the 3. Okay. Sometimes we just do our multiplication facts wrong, and if we do 8 times 4, we might accidentally put 30 instead of 32. And then that messes up what our numerator is going to be. So we have to be careful making sure we're doing the right multiplication tables. Any other questions on the bottom row? All right, then it says write 3 pairs of mixed numbers and improper fractions that have the same value. So I picked 2 1/3 equals 7/3. 14/5 equals 2 4/5. 27 equals 2 6/7. Does it matter what improper fraction you picked or what mixed number you picked? Nope, as long as they equal the same value. Is there anybody who has one that they want to check to make sure they did it correctly? Or are you feeling confident about yours? Okay. If you are watching this at home, we hope you are well. We hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.